How to pin a message in WhatsApp chat. Easy step-by-step voiceover script. Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to pin a message in your WhatsApp chat so you can easily find important information later. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and go to the chat. Now find the exact message you want to pin. This can be a text, photo, video, or even a link. On Android, press and hold the message. On iPhone, long press on the message. From the menu that appears at the top or bottom, tap on the pin icon. WhatsApp will now ask how long you want to keep the message pinned. You can choose between 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. Select the duration, and the message will instantly appear at the top of the chat with a small pin icon. If you ever want to unpin it, just tap and hold the pinned message again and select Unpin. Pinned messages are a great way to keep track of addresses, meeting times, phone numbers, or anything important in your chats. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to pin and unpin a message in WhatsApp. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials.